Hi guys, and welcome back to the Pokemon Empire YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over how to use Pokemon files from your phone. This will be an iPhone tutorial. I will try to explain the differences between the iPhone and the Android. It's pretty basic, pretty simple. I myself have never used Android, so if somebody would be gracious enough, if they would like to make a video on how to use files from an Android phone and send it to me, I can splice it with this video. That would be helpful to all the users in the server. So as I said, this is Pokemon Empire. This is my server. I'm the server owner. My name is Joseph, and let's see. You can see right here, that's me, Joseph11024. My DMs are always open if you have any questions, have any concerns, just want to talk. Just let me know. Like I said, my DMs are always open. If you need any help in the server, we have a help desk where you can create a ticket, a SysBot ticket, or if you would need to report anybody if something's going on in the server, we'll gladly take care of that. For creating a SysBot ticket, it'll create a private channel for you, and it'll tag you in that channel. And then either myself, my admin, or one of my mods or helpers will be along to help you. So without further ado, we'll go to our files. So we have our bot sections down here. We have Scarlet and Violet bots, PLA bots, BDSP bots, and so on. And each bot section has bots at the top and all of our file channels underneath. So that's where we'll go to get all our files. So for this example, we'll be using Scarlet and Violet. So we'll go to our Scarlet Violet PK9 files. And here we have every Pokemon in the game so far. 6IV, Shiny, the ones that can be anyways. So they're all in Pokedex order. So if you know the Pokedex number, you can find your Pokemon pretty quickly. It's a really, really long list, so Pokedex number will come in handy if you know what you're looking for. Anyways, so as you can see, we're on iPhone. The difference, what you'll see on Android, is Android will have a little download button to the right-hand side of each file. iPhone does not have that. So for Android, you just click that little download button, and it will download it to wherever you have. I believe Android comes with a Files app pre-installed on the phone, so everything that you download automatically goes to that download app or whatever. iPhone has one too, and it kind of does the same thing. But for iPhone, all we have to do is click on the file, and it'll bring us here. And one of the most common questions or comments I get is, I can't open the file. You don't need to open the file. You just need to share the file. So from here, you can download it to your Files app, which we're not going to do that just yet. We don't need to do that for iPhone. So for iPhone, you just hit the share button, and you can share it to Discord. And since we're trading it to the bot, you want to, in the comment section, you want to put %trade. And you want to select the server that you want to share the file to. So of course, mine is the Pokemon Empire. And you want to select the channel. So we'll share to Scarlet and Violet bot, which is Ahsoka. And all you have to do from here is hit post. Let it upload. And then it'll add us to the queue. There we go. I've added you to the queue. Blah, blah, blah. All right. We're not going to do a trade, so we'll just queue clear. Get ourselves out of the queue so we're not clogging up the bot for other users. So that's all it is for using files from your phone. Like I said, for Android, it's a little bit different. You hit that little download button, and it'll download it to your Files app, which will emulate that here. So we'll save it to Files in our downloads. So when you hit that download button from here on Android, it'll automatically save it to that location. So all you have to do is open up your files or wherever your downloads go, and basically do the same thing. We open it, we hit share to Discord, of course Pokemon Empire, and the Ahsoka Tano bot. Another way you can do it, or so I've heard. I've never, like I said, I've never owned an Android phone before, so I don't know exactly how all this works on Android or how it looks. But from what I'm told, over here where you see the little plus button on Android, it'll be a little arrow. You can hit that little arrow, and then it'll give you the option to upload those files from there. But like I said, if somebody wants to make a video tutorial, that would be great, and send it to me. And I can splice it along this video. But anyways, that's how you use the files from your phone. If you have any questions, like I said, my DMs are always open. Excuse me. And a link to my server will be in the description. All of my bots on my server are free to use. We also have one premium bot for paying subscribers for each bot category. One of the bots is for paid subscribers only, and the rest of them are free. Like I said, there's a free bot for every game that we have. So all those are free. You'll never have to pay for that. I don't lock them down. I don't do any of that stuff. So if you're looking for a free bot, come join our Discord server. Like I said, my DMs are always open. Create a ticket. We'll get you the help that you need.